Thank you.
We're about to show you the safety features of this Emirates flight, and we need your full attention. Your baggage should be secure.
حتى لو كنتم من المسافرين الثانيين سوف تذكركم بجوانب السلامة المتعة.
It's around 2 a.m. There in the Midwest. Here it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. So no one really slept on the plane because it just was uncomfortable. It's a plane. But they were really nice. Emirates wowed me. After this layover, it's the 5-hour flight to Kenya, and then we're getting a van to our location. But other than that, the hardest part of this trip is over, and we are almost there. So we didn't leave the airport this time because the layover was so short, but we have a 21-hour layover coming back, and we're hitting the desert. We're just trying to relax as much as possible. It's crazy because everyone's ankles are swollen, and so I looked it up, and it says that can happen on a long flight. I've never been on a flight this long before. I've actually never been on a flight that was longer than a couple of hours before. So 13 hours of sitting, my legs were falling asleep on and off the entire flight. It was very uncomfortable, but other than that, we're good. We're chilling. We're having a good time. We'll probably grab something to eat and a few just so we can have full bellies before we get on the flight. But yeah, almost there. Last flight, 5 more hours to Kenya, and we only have about a half-hour van ride to get to the house that we're going to. Either way, we're at the end of this long commute, and then our 2 weeks can begin finally.